Okay, here we go. Last day here in Chicago. I mean, Oshkosh. We're headed to Chicago with all these kids. These kids I found in the street, especially this one here with a cat hat. I found her on the road, so I figured I'd take her to go Chicago. We called her Hannah. We found these other two. I'm not sure where they came from too. That's Erin and Eva. Oh man. That'll be fun. Everybody say hi. Hi. Okay. You guys ready to go?
So, I ended up injuring myself as soon as we arrived in Chicago here. Now, we'll see how it goes. I'll probably have to go get myself x-rayed when we get back to the south.
Oh, this thing a whole elevator. That's awesome.
Why are you pushing into me? Oh, I just saw the crowd in here. I'm just tired of letting it down. Was that everybody was there? Ain't everybody?
All of us on that. Caleb, have you been here before?
Yeah.
How many times?
I guess not a lot, but not a little.
Okay, so not a lot, but not a little.
Yeah.
So which one is it? So mommy, how's that foot?
As long as I don't put pressure on my big toe and that toe next to my big toe, I'm fine. I'm leaning on my pinky right now.
That's a lot of toes in a sentence.
The side of my foot. The bean.
This is the infamous bean. Mel, what's wrong with your foot?
$4,500.
It's hurting.
You guys come with the selfie stick?
I do have one. All right, here we are. We are going Chicago, Chinatown. Come on, hurry. And mommy's still hurting because she hurt her leg, right? But here is Chinatown. There's the gate. The gate of glory. The gate of the legend. The gate of Chinese community center. They didn't spell center. They didn't even spell center right. All right, so here we are, still in Chinatown, Chicago, and we're gonna go try some dim sum at Min Chin Cuisine. That's when you know when you're in Chinatown. Got baby pigs. Whole baby pig. Look at that. That's when you know you're in Chinatown. We gotta take a picture then. We're all three.
Stop swearing at me. She's saying Macau. Make a goofy face when it comes to you. When it comes to you.
Hannah, you're just like, no, you're in your turn. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna mice.
So, double sure you want everything, right? If we then make it, we'll not cancel, okay?
my toy.
So Lincoln accidentally pressed the whole menu, and here we are.
I don't know what you're talking about. You and my dad are.
Look at this. Look at this spread. Huh? Hold on, I gotta do this. Wow. Like food stacked on top of food, stacked on top of food. Look at all of this food.
Only 15 people.
And we're gonna eat it all, right, Link? Okay, halftime report, Link. Where are we at?
Made a small dent in it.
Okay.
I think we did good. No, I think we did more than one.
Let's see, where we're at. Hence, I say halftime.
I think it's Uncle Tony and the rest of them.
You calling the help of Uncle Tony and all your other uncles?
Yeah, if they were here, and then we probably have to order out all the empty ones.
I know. That's what I mean. It's like, we did good.
Look at that, we're doing pretty good. Look, the duck's almost done.
I mean, this is done for the most part.
Heidi likes the chips.
All the
I guess we'll have to see them on the other side.
We'll have to see them on the other side? On the other side of the toilet?
Nope.
Is everything okay?
You know, it's okay.
So here we are, nearing the end.
Or maybe she might just think you're so handsome. She doesn't.
Thank you, Ryan.
I'm pretty sure she doesn't like them.
Nearing the end of our feast. And we are slowly.
Alright.
Awesome.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Happy holidays.
Hey, thank you. Turtles. Look, so he really didn't run off with my money then.
That's what we thought. It was like, he just...
He's gone.
It would have been good if he did it right here for Skips to see.
Okay, interview time. What do you think about the food?
It was good.
Yeah? How do you guys feel?
How do you guys
Feel
feel?
sick?
How do you guys feel about my sea turtle? It was originally
Lincoln, what do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah?
we just need pet.
This is all of our to-goes right here.
The kids don't want to use the restroom. Walk 30 minutes from now because they need to use it.
We wanted to give you food for the holidays and
Have a holly jolly Christmas and Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Yeah, you give them
give them two? Okay, look at there. Awesome. God bless you, sir.
They're staying.
Okay. Here we are.
Going bye-bye.
Going home.
No, they're
Going
going home.
away. We ate dim sum.
We'll come back and see them next time. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we ate dim sum. And we are stuffed. Aren't you stuffed?
Yeah.
I am stuffed. Are you stuffed?
I have all the
What are you?
I'm tough.
You're tough
Yeah.
or stuffed?
I'm tough.
Oh, tuft. Okay.
So far just tough. I'm the same like you guys.
Yeah.
Look at this flower.
Chicago was nice. I think we have to we'll have to come back another time and explore the city more. More.
Wait, are we going that way?
More.
Come on.
More.
Go even faster.
Excuse me, sir.
Hi.
Would you like some food?
Would you like some food? Here.
What? Not tossing.
Huh?
Give him that one too.
This?
Yeah.
That's a lot of food. Thank you. God
You
bless
have
you.
Hey, God bless you. Have a Merry Christmas, okay? Good luck. Subscribe, comment, and share, and like. Turn your notifications on.